Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm from Brazil. I'm in Ayurvedagram for the second time. The first time I've been in Bali, in the first time, which I met Ligia, and she became my friend and partner of business. We're doing retreats in Brazil and in other countries. And after doing my first treatment, very short in Bali, I came to India because I got groups here and I became disease, more full of mucus, and because of this mucus I had skin problems, which I started treating last year. I spent 19 days here. It was amazing. The people who work here are very, very, very kind. The girls from the treatments are very sweet, lovely, and we make a family here with the people at the kitchen and the restaurant and the reception and the massage. I really like it, the treatment, and the doctors are very prepared. And it's my second time here together with Ligia in the same treatment because it's good for me making this treatment for many years, because the Ayurvedic, it's a very profound, deep, and sometimes it's slowly. My skin disease, it's a very issue problem, and they are caring of me with very responsibility. Okay, thank you very much for everything you give to me.
Hi, my name is Ligia. I'm here for the first time. Last year I stayed in Bali for 1 month, and now I'm here, and I'm so happy to be here also because people are very kind, very professional. The food is amazing. The treatments are delicious and very special, and I'm feeling much, much better than I arrived. I arrived sick and I got better here. The doctor is fantastic. So I recommend so much you to come here at Ayurvedagram to rest, to heal yourself, and to have a very, very good time here with all people that is so lovely and kind. And that's it.
It's a place where you can feel as you are in your grandmother's house. So I hope very much to be here next year. I recommend Ayurvedagram for sure.
I will be here next year with sure. Namaste.